Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin, and it's time once again for another unboxing. We've got the Samsung X5 in the other day. This came in free of charge through the Amazon Vine program. And this is different than the T5 that we reviewed last year. This is a USB Type-C solid-state drive. This one requires Thunderbolt 3, which means you need to have a computer that has a Thunderbolt 3 port on it for this to work. But if you got one and you've got enough money for this thing, it's $400 for the 500 gigabyte version, you will get significantly greater performance because this one has an NVMe drive inside of it, which is a PCI Express drive. So you can see some of the speeds here they are advertising. We'll put this to the test in a full review that we'll have on my main channel very shortly at lon.tv. So this is the unit itself. This is the drive. It's got a metal casing here. It feels a lot like a car. And it's red on the bottom because red means performance, right? On the back here, we've got the Thunderbolt 3 port. It's got a cable in the box as well, which we'll take out in a second. Very attractive, and it should be very fast. Powered by the Thunderbolt 3 bus. So you plug in your Thunderbolt cable to your Thunderbolt port, and that is all you need to do. They have an instruction manual here that gives you some tips on how to use it in a couple of different languages. And then you have the Thunderbolt 3 cable. What's crazy is how expensive these Thunderbolt 3 cables are, and the longer you go, the more they cost. So the length on this one, actually, as short as it is longer than I typically see on some of these Thunderbolt products we reviewed here. But this cable is required, or any other Thunderbolt 3 cable for that matter. And again, it'll look a lot like USB-C, but it isn't. So if you have a computer without a Thunderbolt port and plug this in, nothing's going to happen. You need to have that Thunderbolt port as indicated there for this to work. So I'm going to start doing all of my usual evaluations on this thing and see how it performs. And we'll have a full review coming up very shortly on my main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned. This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Too Much Sauce, Gerard Newberg, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.